Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Redmi is releasing the global models of its Note 11 series, and they're very different from the Redmi Note 11 that you'd find in China. This is the global Redmi Note 11 and the Note 11s. It's a bit confusing, so let's go over their key features and try to get them sorted out. The Redmi Note 11 is a budget-friendly mid-ranger that brings some nice features for the price. And you can say the same about the Redmi Note 11s. The two products are very similar. Both phones are made from plastic with a matte finish, and even the camera bumps bring a similar style. The phones have a large 5000 mAh battery, but they're still on the lighter side. Plus, the Note 11 and the 11s have IP53 rated splash proofing too. On the front side of both phones is the same display, a 6.43-inch AMOLED with a 1080p resolution, Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and a fast 90Hz refresh rate. This is a little smaller than the 6.6-inch screen you'd get on the Chinese model. You also get stereo speakers and a headphone jack, as well as expandable storage on these global models. The interface of the new Redmi phones is Xiaomi's MIUI 13 out of the box. It's their new interface, but at least here it's still running over Android 11. The most notable difference between the devices is the chipset. The Chinese Redmi Note 11 has a Mediatek Dimensity 810, which provides 5G connectivity. In contrast, the global Redmi Note 11 runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. It's a new chip based on a 6nm process, and performance should be decent, though there's no support for 5G networks here. And then you have the Redmi Note 11s, which has a Mediatek Helio G96. It's based on a 12nm process, and it's also 4G only. The reasoning behind this chipset is that it can process high-resolution photos. And that brings us to the cameras, the other major difference. The Note 11s is special because it brings a high-res 108MP main cam, which is paired with an 8MP ultra-wide, a 2MP macro cam, and a depth sensor. In contrast, the Note 11 has just a 50MP sensor on its main cam. The rest of the setup is the same, though camera processing might be a little different because of the different chipsets. So there you have it guys, the new global Redmi Note 11s seem like good deals so far if 5G isn't a priority for you. And the S version gets you an even better main cam, though we're not sure how the chipsets compare yet. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full reviews.